Hi everyone, I am Taleen, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how to put adjectives in the right order and how to use to and enough correctly. We have here 6 types of adjectives. First, the opinion, such as expensive and gorgeous. Size and shape, like small and round. Age, like young and ancient. The color, like purple and turquoise. The nationality, such as Saudi Arabian and Japanese. And lastly, the material, like velvet and silk. The best way to remember the specific order is to use an acronym. So, the acronym is Orange, Skies and Clouds on Mars. The first word is orange, and it's going to stand for the opinion. The second word is skies, and it's going to stand for the size and the shape. The third word is and it's going to stand for the age. The fourth word is clouds, and it stands for the color. Last but not least, on, and it stands for the origin, which means the nationality. The last word is Mars, and it stands for the material. For example, the beautiful old stone house has been put up for sale. As you can see, beautiful, the opinion, comes first. Then the age, old, comes second. And lastly, the material the house is made of, which is stones. Let's go to the next one. I have 2 large classic sofas in my living room. Large here is the size, so it comes before the age, which classic stands for. The last one. There's a small brown table in the kitchen. As you can notice, the size comes before the color according to the adjectives order grammar. Now, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do this exercise. Now let's do it together. I have a blank horse. As you can see, we have to reorder the adjectives new, black, and fast. Fast here stands for the opinion. That's why it's going to come first. Then new, which stands for the age. And lastly, black, which is the color. To and enough. They both indicate degree. They modify adjectives, adverbs, and nouns. To means more than what is needed, and enough means sufficient. To can be placed before adjectives and adverbs. For example, she can't reach the shelf. She is too short. Enough can be placed after the adjectives and the adverbs. For example, she can reach the shelf. She is tall enough. A phrase with to or enough can be followed by an infinitive phrase. For example, you're too sick to leave the house today. You're not well enough to go to work today. I have enough days off to go on a trip. Here's an exercise. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do it, then we will do it together. He wasn't strong, blank, to lift the heavy box. As you can notice, the blank comes after the adjective strong. And as I said, enough is placed after the adjectives and the adverbs. So here we're gonna use enough. He wasn't strong enough to lift the heavy box. Let's go to the second one. I didn't buy the car because it was blank expensive. And as you can see, the blank comes before the adjective expensive. And as I said, to is placed before the adjectives and the adverbs. So here we're gonna use to. I didn't buy the car because it was too expensive. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.